Abason Hombra De3 3retwa Guo is the Premtobre president for the Brothers and Sisters Association. Mayanko share in some De3 Guo on Adom TV social media pages on Dona Yenzin Kanko share Batana Neba Ewu Yaya level 200 students will University of Ghana no chimre or Yazo to the hospital honomono in a 1 man in share papa Mayanko share Zalkodo.
This thing we are saying was just about 10 minutes. Middle one, I'm a banner free in so from one. I had to say, gents. The Mr. Sammy come on back to me pay. A drone I'm got to buy any day. I'm on farm, woman, but me coming in bed. Made two and some of them more one with the man and into me. Maybe so say, then I want to be piano now. Let's say my band so I can say, Mamma, I want a pan. Now me team who think of one and son. Me quite no me bano. O match na to. On bano so. Mama. Then that's na. Aye orange. Or the whole lifeless body. So I started shouting, Oma kumebano. Oma kumebano. Then they said, say, Omukuno.
Into no oyaza batano or chimdo yaza panza bone na wazuku na bano menkaje wajin chwe mfa the munsemia okodo ho Sandy babe or say Ghana no mpono there is little to no justice cry for onoma won yisika nti no obon pede busuafo obotum na wen yisika no was a fight e wo court nti no say may the young soul rest in peace also yaza o mabrente ba no rest in peace mpono obon pede busu de ben yisika akọ damo ontokwe Mawal and also autopsy bohu bibiara so we autopsy pe bibiara okodu biara bo show ma batano we no wase sempono so ampada oyo drobabon na we kuma bofra na autopsy ba ma ni nyinara wa dezi pepepe ntino Mawal and oze yibe ma yemfiri hono me na yenkonko hye mystery birth wasem bi okodo 25-year-old na onyimdo nyinsan na so no owe amuna munum hare no ma yanko share za okodo
ko dware mu no bidun so wie ya na ase menchim bisaye e ho na ye me sa ampa so menchim ye 1 2 third na kola na efiri mase atofom no esu de dende e ho na me sorry de dende na efuruma no twae de efuruma chae no e ka awode no wo mase wode no womas ko dware mu no bidun so wie ya na ase menchim bisaye e ho na ye me sa ampa so menchim ye 1 2 third na kola na efiri mase atofom no esu de dende e ho na me sorry de dende na efuruma no twae de efuruma chae no e ka awode no womas wode no womas ko dware mu no bidun so wie ya na ase menchim bi
nti no asama oyehu papa ma menje wadwenchwe mfa de munsemi ho startlet or say what no cryptic pregnancy na or happen or yaza osi na so no on time because it happens rarely na congratulations uncle mame no mame or say zanya kupon botumi aye no or exist across what God can't do does not exist you know also chimde nyankopon na wama why possible hola at jack or say on pozo king or catching when chame catching when nyade Mary or sister or honom so no say Mary the sister no na yeshia no ma yanko mepe flats are all kodo wo honom yaza 53-year-old man we go honom no nyena ba wori bi samwa yanko shwana yembra
It's demonstrating the accommodations I can say is okay to bed outside like this without mosquito nets. The mosquito also is disturbing. I can't walk. If I don't get anybody to carry me, then the rain is taking me out. So I need quick chair or the stick like how my daughter can see my daughter with my side here. The same thing. So I need help. Actually, the food, we are not getting the food. If they say the food is here, I can't work. So we don't get a leader to go there and bring the food to us. So we are suffering.
Into no yaza papa no hwehwemboa ma menje wadwonche mfa da mensemi hu the lally or say you know oyare wholesome papa it's really devastating watch your bofun kakana la uchirima you know oya ahomto papa ti the lally gazawale dogbe na ozi yibe Melanie Montez or say I'm crying here. Oh God, also no asam no oya na reho papa ampono te papa no iswa no rusun to no. Oh God, and so yaza papa no hiamboa wombra na wombobo no. Nana Ekua Zuri or say you know a heartbreaking situation was asam na papa ne ken we bubu na koma papa. Ma yankoshe National Science and Math Quiz competition alokodo yaza me you say grand finale no Orabado on the 31st of October. Achimota was na presec na was besakan ma yankoshe.
Achimota School, congratulations on winning the contest. Very well done. Presbyterian Boys Secondary School, congratulations on winning the contest. Well done. Opokwari School, congratulations on winning the contest. However, the most important bit is that you have booked a slot for the grand finale. I look forward to seeing you.
Into no congratulations kasi nko match mota was and presec for ye hwe kwanda 31st would be saying na ye hu nyimpa ye ba crown winner this year mamenje wadwonche mfa Adom nsemi hu boache Daniel osi you know or 2 against 1 was a bon win pepepe so also no hu no nyimpa ba san na world contest Princess Mami Ama osi glory of the coast we are winning this by God's grace so no yaza o support ama schools ni be mananyi Mike say presec congratulations kese onkomo in advance so send do jizi pa the presec basana we win baby ma ye juno ma yen konkoji video of the day. Nti no oyaze krom ha ne binum wache de oyaze won violence no won peace nti no De3 3retwa Guo no mezibesi ha de no yeah the Premtobre president for the Brothers and Sisters Association if you man kwatama closing some ken bosodo